Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making the jalapeno honey cheddar cornbread from the Nightmare Before Dinner cookbook. The ingredients we're going to need are 1 box of a Jiffy brand cornbread mix, 2 cups of sharp white cheddar cheese that's been shredded, 1 can of whole kernel corn that I've already gone ahead and drained, half of a cup of chopped up jalapenos, 1/3 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 egg, 1.5 tablespoons of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. And those are going to be all of our ingredients. So let me get these moved out of the way and we'll go ahead and start bringing our cornbread together. To my mixing bowl, I've gone ahead and added my cornbread. The next thing I'm going to add is my milk, followed by my egg, the soy sauce, the sour cream, my honey, and my seasonings. And then I'm just going to quickly stir these together until they are well incorporated. Now that I have all those mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and add in the remainder of my ingredients, starting with the jalapenos, followed by the corn, and the last thing I'm going to add in is all my cheese. I'm going to go ahead and stir this now until it's just incorporated. And the last thing I'm going to do is pour it into a greased 8x8 inch dish, baking dish. All I need to do now is make sure it's spread evenly throughout my dish, and it's going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until the cornbread is completely cooked through. So I'll see you once it's out of the oven. The jalapeno honey cheddar cornbread is out of the oven, and I will say it took almost 50 minutes for this to bake completely through. So just be sure to adjust your cooking time to allow for it. But it smells really good. I'm really excited to get in here and try it. I think I'm going to go for that piece right there. It almost smells like it has sausage in it, even though there's no meat at all. I am really enjoying the flavors in this cornbread. The rosemary is not overwhelming, which I was a little bit afraid of. There was quite a bit of rosemary that we added. I definitely get the honey. The jalapenos are not too spicy. Overall, it's a well-balanced cornbread, and I'll definitely be making it again. If you guys would like to be a part of the Gamers and Geeks playlist, leave me a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to tell you how you can be a part of that list. And while you're at it, be sure to go and check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist. I will leave a link down in the description to it. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vote Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.